Playa Bowls has gained popularity for its wide selection of healthy bowls, smoothies, and juices, but opinions on the experience are mixed. Many customers enjoy the vibrant and fresh offerings, with the bowls being visually appealing and packed with flavorful ingredients like fresh fruits, granola, and various toppings. On Yelp, reviewers frequently highlight the refreshing taste and variety of choices, praising Playa Bowls as a go-to for a quick, nutritious treat in a vibrant setting. Additionally, Reddit discussions note that Playa Bowls is a welcome addition to local food scenes, particularly for health-conscious individuals, though some feel it is more of a treat than a daily option. However, there are consistent criticisms, primarily focused on the pricing and value. Many customers find the balls expensive for the portion price, which can make it less appealing for those seeking more substantial meals. Some reviewers also mention inconsistencies in preparation quality between locations, with certain branches being hit or miss. Additionally, there are complaints about long wait times during peak hours, as well as a lack of seating in some locations. Overall, while Playa Balls shines for its fresh, customizable offerings, it might not be ideal for those seeking affordability or large portions.